Hey guys, Justin here with Tech Revolution, hanging out with this beefy Bronco rear blaze bumper. That's right, this is for your new Bronco owners. This is our Blaze Series rear bumper. We got this guy out of the box, kind of show you what you're gonna get when you order one of these bumpers, give you a chance to take a look at the quality and what we're doing here. So the first thing you'll notice, obviously this thing is super beefy. It's not bulky, it's not clunky, it fits the body lines of the vehicles. Super stout integrated tow hooks with D-ring mounts. Lots of options on this guy, lots of them. So you'll see you have these screened in areas here. We have these removed so that you can powder coat or color to your choice, kind of match up your vehicle. We also have different ones that kind of create different light mounts, things like that. Also, we have versions that put your proximity sensors in. As you can see here, we've got the proximity sensor locations into the bumper as they need to be. So all of that stuff works as it should from the factory. Optional 30-inch light bar mounting location in two different kind of screens to either encase that or skip it and put in a screen. Tons and tons of heavy-duty hardware. You know, all of our beefy hardware is bagged up and ready to go. You're not searching around or reusing stuff. You know, we've thought of everything, even integrating back into the factory cross member from behind and up to put more strength in. You know, we expect these things to be used and abused off-road, pull on it, things like that. We want this thing to be mounted extremely sturdy. So, if you like what you're seeing here and you want to see this guy installed, take a look at the link below. You'll see us put it on Bronco. If you're interested in what this might look like for your Bronco, or you know, maybe you have some Jeep product, check us out at crawltechrevolution.com, and as always on social media, that's going to be your Facebook and Instagram, Tech Revolution.